What's good, y'all? It's your girl Alexis here, and I am back, and I'm giving you guys some 13 by 6 realness. You can't tell right now. I kind of like the curls a little fluffy. I'll probably define them later on, but I just want to go for the more fluffier look. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the wig, and then we're going to get straight into the install. I'm going to show you guys basically the breakdown, how far back the lace actually goes, and then also just a little style kind of to show you how far you can actually style it back. So like I said, from Afsisterwig, I got a 13 by 6 full frontal wig. It's a little bit unlike most wigs because most wigs you probably get about 2 inches of parting space actually on the sides, and it's 13 by 6 all around. So pretty much the wig is like 50% lace, and that's just chef's kiss. It's doing what it needs to do. Okay, before I actually get into the install for this wig, I wanted to first of all show y'all just the idea of what it looks like on the wig head, because sometimes people like to see that, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all on the wig head, and then I'm gonna part it a little bit so that y'all can actually see how far back that parting does go. Honestly, to me, they have the best knots when it comes to the wigs because they're really small, and then they bleach so seamlessly, and it looks like scalp. And you don't have to like super pluck their wigs either. Really, if you don't want to, you don't have to. It's up to you, but alright, so y'all see how far that parting space is, and then on the inside I want y'all to just see how far back this frontal goes. So OD parting space, that's what I like. I don't think I've ever gotten a wig with parting space this big, so I'm really excited, and I'm hoping that I can do a style to kind of like show off how big the parting space actually is. So the inside comes with 3 combs along the frontal and then 1 in the back. We have adjustable straps, and that's basically the construction of the wig. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but it does come with a band on the inside also. I usually don't use the band when the wigs come with them, just because I don't like for my stuff to be too tight, but I'm gonna try it out. Before cutting any lace or doing anything, it's already giving super duper natural. So for me, there is a lot of extra lace that I don't need on the sides, so I am going to measure and cut that off so that we can get straight to the install. But once again, this is the wig before any glue and any styling. Super pretty. It's definitely super fluffy in the front because I did pluck. All right, so wig is on. I've adjusted my sides, so I'm gonna cut a couple of lines into the lace. I'm not really gonna talk through this part really because it's just a regular install. Today I'm going to use my EBIN Wonder Lace Bond, the Extreme Firm Hold. I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna spray it under the lace and then lay it down, tie it down, and then once we get into like the styling process, we gonna talk a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna put some spritz on here, and then I'm gonna tie it down with the baby hairs down, and then we're gonna get started on the actual styling. I'm actually kind of nervous, so this is gonna be exciting at the same time. So what I like to do, I have these little spoolies that I have bought like a long time ago, basically to wash my lashes or like kind of get the dust and crap out of them. But I actually broke the spray pump on my spritz, so what I like to do is actually dip my spoolie in there and then just push it in on the lace. So y'all seeing it here, and I'm just dabbing it down the sides or the edges of the lace so that I can tie it down and it'll be melted. And we're gonna tie it down. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my baby flat iron just in case I decide to use it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but we'll see. So this wig is 22 inches, as I mentioned before. So it's gonna be long and luscious, but I'm going to snatch this lace band off so that you guys can see if it is melted or not. I'm just gonna snatch it, and it always melts better when you snatch, because when you snatch, it's too fast for it to even stick to the lace band. So you guys see it? Yeah, yeah. It's given I don't even want to do baby hairs. I don't know. This is literally the most perfect wig I've ever had in my life. I'm just gonna hot comb them down a little bit. All right, so now that we cut those off, we're gonna curl them. For my baby hairs lately, I've been liking to go in with my Pantene hairspray and just spray it on my edge brush and do it that way. Use my finger. Trying to figure out, should I tie it back down or just try this style? So I was gonna try and do like a little twist in the front. I bought these little clips from the dollar store, so I was gonna add these onto the back of the clips. So that's what we're gonna try. I'm gonna open them up. I had colored ones, but I cannot find them. So good thing I bought these. Obviously, if you can flat twist both ways, this will be a little bit neater for you, but for some reason I cannot flat twist going in this direction, so you guys can see how far back the hair goes with this style. So I'm gonna spray it just a little bit just to add the curls back right here. This is the style. It's okay. It could be neater. This is just to show you guys what the parting space is kind of like. It's very far back. You can kind of do a little bit of everything with it. Is this how I'm gonna keep it? No, I'm gonna style it the way I want to style it, but I did want to show you guys, like I said, just a little style so you guys can see what the actual parting space looks like. But now I'm gonna style it my way. Afsisterwig always do the thing. There's not really much to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want the links and everything for the wig down in the description box, make sure you guys check it out. I'll leave all the information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see me do next, because it is protective style season. It's getting cold outside. So I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah.